Today's snapshot is about camera confidence. Now, camera confidence isn't something that you're just born with. It's not something I can give you a pill and in the morning you're like, whoa, today I'm going to be really confident on camera. You have to do the work. The way that you get confident on camera is you have to commit. You have to show up. You have to be consistent, which means you're showing up all the time, and you have to have a clarity about what you're talking about, because the reason most people don't feel confident on camera is they start to bumble around and they're not really sure how to make what they're saying clear to the audience they're speaking to. Now, this is one of the magic things I'm going to do, a shameless plug for Pro Shorts, because what Pro Shorts does is I go on camera with you and direct you and coach you, and that's just another way of getting camera confidence, and that's by hiring me to help you with your camera confidence. If you do feel like you need a little help with that confidence boost, go ahead, let's talk.